Hello everyone and welcome back. And today we're going to be looking at the pros and cons of using Capcut Commerce Pro. Now Capcut Commerce Pro has a lot of advantages and a lot of risks too. So let's get started on them. Let's start with the advantages of using it. Number one is advanced e-commerce tools. It includes AI-powered video and image creation and specific features for e-commerce sellers, such as linking products from a store like Shopify. 2. Multi-platform publishing and scheduling. The Commerce Pro plan allows for scheduling content across multiple social media accounts, and a built-in calendar makes it easy to plan and manage content ahead of time. 3. Enhanced AI capabilities. Capcut Commerce Pro offers advanced AI tools like auto-captioning, background removal, and upscaling, making content creation more efficient. Next advantage is high-quality exports. Capcut Commerce Pro provides access to higher export quality such as 4K video and features that make videos sharper and more professional. Lastly, the last advantage is increased storage. Capcut Commerce Pro offers a significant amount of storage with yearly plans providing 500 GB for assets and projects. Now let's look at their cons. Why should you break free from Capcut Commerce Pro? 1. Risk of creative stagnation. The heavy emphasis on templates can lead to content that looks similar to others, potentially hindering the development of a unique brand identity. 2. Limited for professional use cases. While it is great for quick social media videos, it may not have the advanced features, timeline precision, or robust color grading that is necessary for more complex, professional video editing projects. 3. Uncertain legal and security implications. Users must agree to a broad license that grants Capcut broad rights to use their content, and there has been past concerns about regulatory and security issues in some regions. The first disadvantage we have to look at is the potential for platform lock-in. Relying solely on Capcut can limit a creator's ability to adapt to new platforms or to edit in different formats, as mastery of the tool doesn't necessarily translate to other professional software. Lastly, it may be overkill for simple needs. For users who only need to perform basic editing tasks, the free version of Capcut may be sufficient, making the paid Pro plan unnecessary.